Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton, they inform us here for this video say John Bull Imade for Uronigbe, where they support Godwin Obaseki. He says some boys don't go attack him just because say he dey give support to Godwin Obaseki. He say he go make sure say Obaseki win for Uronigbe. Now be the promise we give Godwin Obaseki, the Edo State governor. So for that reason now, he say APC supporters don't go there, go attack him. So make I leave you now with Newton, make you for hear more information from him.
Good morning, people of Edo State. This early morning, I and my wife there, so I don't know what I do. Say, I'm on the boy, so my wife and my wife we dey up. They carry blue ayas. They carry come my house. Now where I run reach, I don't know say they don't even destroy my house since. As I jump first, as the all of them come, only two people when I know for inside. You run Pikin. You run from Uronigbe community in Pikin. He there among. And one boy wey they call Low Waste, Osaron by name, he there among. And they go scatter my house. Make una see am. Go closer. Where is my wife? Where is my children? You boys to come. Look at it, oh. They go scatter my house. They injure me. They do a lot of things. I can't even move my hand as I speak right now. So they scatter everywhere in my house. It's my point. My children, those are my children. I'm not a bad person in the community. I'm only fighting for justice. This is what they come here. They tear all Obaseki paper, put it, let them see. They say they are starboard for garage. They say let me go destroy them. I don't know what I do there. They say they want to kill me. Just how when we now you say they come. You cannot escape it. Just how when you will not escape this. I'm telling you, my father started making money before your father in the community. Just how when you will not escape this. I'm assuring you. Just how when you will not escape this. You and your boys will not escape this. They say that I'm the one who get the money. My wife life, my children life, we are on trend. I'm begging the government of the day, Godwin Obaseki, to take action about this. Look at my building. This is exactly what they get to do. We are in this community, come closer. This is what they do. Low West and then you run begin. This is what they did in my house. So I'm waiting for them. Looking for what the government can do. So this is exactly what happened today. Doctor report have been given to me. I'm on my way to the general hospital. Look at all my face. I cannot even stretch my hand as I speak right now. I can't stretch my hand. So I'm begging the security agency to intervene. And let's see who owns the town, who owns the vote. Politics is talk your way, I talk my own. I have no interest. They are fighting for their interest. They want to become a millionaire. I'm fighting for Godwin Obaseki because of the good job and the development. Thank you, Edo State.
Do us a favor by doing a very massive sharing. Thank you as you do that. We are here for very something special. I'm going to try as much as I can to calm down so that what I'm about to let us know so that it will sink into our head. I think there is fire on the mountain, and what these people can do is what they have just done right now. I keep on telling people, and nobody will not get strength. Nobody in life will not get strength. Any man, due to what you know, you want to use and intimidate your mate, you are the biggest fool. Why? Because if you do your own today, you go house, but the next person go plan you. So we are going to see who win all this battle. So now me want draw international community enter Benin. If I not do now, when I also my pa mama not born me well. I'll be saying it. You don't provoke people who does not. This was some of the things we knew in 90s, early 90s. We resign. Okay, now why must you use what you know? I'm not getting it clear, and it gonna be crazy. I want cast the whole world. I want cast them. Now, okay, you know something you can kill. Good. Who has given you license to kill? JB Mande, as you all know, is one of the strongest supporter of Obaseki Idiorio, was attacked today in his residence. I'm going to be showing you the video. Because a lot of people felt they have power, the government cannot do them anything. They can do and not do. That's what they felt. That's what they felt because they felt no una picture oh what you if I don't do una mona call me back. Yeah, quit picture wire. And they pack and they go brush on myself. I'm going to name you people terrorists. We are going to see. I'll not be like that guy whoa. I don't at the back and at the back. I don't regret my word. Do you know what I'm going to happen? I will stop coming to Edo State. But you will never leave Nigeria all the rest of your life. I must make sure I petition you guys. It's a devilish act. This thing should not be accommodated in our society. There's some group of people, you leave your, don't go attack person for daylight. Daylight. We are go attack on one killer. Because he choose to choose the church of his government we want support. I just finished talking to some group of people in Madrid. Not be alone and chop mucho. Everybody get this much for his body. Everybody get this much for his body. Not be alone and chop much. The gun is not made for only you people. Who see Nash no say go smell. May you looking at me like supposed to know say man. We don't no gain in it. Okay, what's your people's problem? What's your people's problem? Ma de ou wa fio boy. All the time, bewa. Brother land. I'm going to be playing video to you guys. Just give me 1 second. Let me quickly share to my face. Anyway, if you guys watch me, for those of you that do follow me, I intend to kind of disminuing. As in, I know that tomorrow they accelerate the way they talk again. Okay, now, let's make our people understand what is politics. But now, saying violence now to do now. We are going to see a dole kuwa ni election we can witness me interest in the matter now. Waroba yanti arasa the election now. Waroba yanti arasa. I'm going to call the Babatude Johnson Kokomu right here away right now. Or to you people are brought to justice. No, that is no now. Not be Banana Republic with it. We can't take this from anybody. Nobody have a monopoly of violence. Nobody. Or no account will you take law into your hand. Egan waya wuyi. Egan waya wuyi. All of una must die for jail. Now you get power pass. Ana we na ri ma work na ladan for example. This stupid Etosa Ogbewi. Don't we atigbe can we akele le je bi fi pa. If you think you have power, call this man fight. Why mobilize now na get man. Okay, many wire doing wa dey na. Na mo na want to do one. Many wire do. What did this poor boy do now? What did the poor boy do now? What have this boy done wrong to you people? For him to be killed. As JB strong rich, una go meet him. Okay, una think say JB go forgive una. Okay, that's what you people feel. Okay, you don't do and you don't wrong. You are going to be left alone one day. This is what I'll be telling us. Mind what you do. Because you wait, do and go. Man, a JB forgive, man, forgiveness. I know that's one thing. That's one good thing. I don't know how to forgive person. That's why I don't hurt anybody. Men looking at me, you should know what I can do. Una go beat JB join house. Who are what them fee? Oh, women you do the work on so that now I make a case work. No, why Lord na fe? Why the Lord na fe? This and half one hour. Amen we get it. Amen have a buwe. Amen we get it. A police not the Bill way. Now I keep on educating people at times. A lot of people feel Newton HS. Newton and Juma. No, I not be Juma. I have seen life from the other side, from the other perspective of life. I begin to see reasons every day. The reason why we must have to coexist in this society because I make an allegory. But when they use this on a level, take the intimidate other people. Una what they use and say now una federal government give una license. They give una license. Where we dey here? CIA dey here. Who you with your born get out? Head up. King of Spain, as I tell to you right now, King of Spain is on the run. King of Spain flew away from Spain. is in Dubai right now. Because they call and make one account of some certain money. The man ran. This is the man that own the country, Iran. So, una tisi as una dey inside all there. If I agmoma for one. Okay, well, whenever, then you think it's going to end like that? If the whole world forgive you, may I forgive you. Except if you must have to die in jail. It's not done. Let me people show you the attack. The reason why I'm really brutal. What have the guy done? What did the guy do to Una? I'm not getting it clear. What have this poor boy did to you guys? Una de sort of person ki papa is sorting mama. Nobody talk to Una. So Una and the person, even one, the person said now my papa house, one of them, my papa house for Bongo, neither parents, may ya buwe. Any do can you ya buwe. You are not going to be forgiven. May ya buwe. Minute forgive you. May ya buwe. A career where I been, a legacy way, a killer way. We don't denounce our word.
Yeah, Larry. Good morning, people of Edo State. This early morning, I'm and my wife there, so I don't know what I do. Say, I'm on the boy, so
today morning on the 12th, on the 12th of August, Wednesday.
They carry come my house.
Wait.
Now we are not rich. I don't know. Yeah, Larry. Good morning, people of Edo State. This early morning, I'm and my wife there, so I don't know what I do. Say, I'm on the boy, so my wife will day up. They carry blue ayas. They carry come my house. Now we are not rich. I don't know. Say they don't even destroy my house since. As I jump first, as all of them come, only two people when I know for inside. You run Peking. You run from Uronigbe community in Peking. He there among. And one boy they call Low Waste. Osaro by name. He there among. And they go scatter my house. Make una see am. Go closer. Where is my wife? Where is my children? You boys to come. Look at it, oh. They go scatter my house. They injure me. They do a lot of things. I can't even move my hand. And I speak right now. So they scatter everywhere in my house. It's my point. My children, those are my children. I'm not a bad person in the community. I'm only fighting for justice. This is what they come here. They tear all Pasaki paper, put it, let them see. They say they are standboard for garage. They say let me go destroy them. I don't know what thing I do there. They say they want to kill me. Just how where we now you say they come. You know you cannot escape it. Just how where you will not escape this. I'm telling you, my father started making money before your father in the community. Just how where you will not escape this. I'm assuring you. Just how where you will not escape this. You and your boys will not escape this. They said that I'm the one who get the money. My wife life, my children life, we are on trend. I'm begging the government of the day, God do not Obaseki, to take action about this. Look at my building. This is exactly what they get to do. We are in this community, come closer. This is what they do. Low West and then Europe begin. This is what they did in my house. So I'm waiting for them. Looking for what the government can do. So this is exactly what happened today. Doctor report have been given to me. And when I went to the general hospital, look at all my face. I cannot even stretch my hand as I speak right now. I can't stretch my hand. So I'm begging the security agency to intervene. And let's see who owns the time, who owns the vote. Politics is talk your way, I talk my own. I have no interest. They are fighting for their interest. They want to become a millionaire. I'm fighting for Godwin Obaseki because of the good job and the development. Thank you, Edo State.
Due to the recent development, I'm trying to call the CP right now. The CP is not picking his phone. We're going to make sure this is going to put an end to whatever atrocity. I'm assuring you people, don't live in fear. I'm interested in this very issue. Now it became so legal. And Clemente Amigo is a part and parcel of this very deal. I've had so many messages he has sent to this very guy. Say, he goes, we are going to see it here. we both ya cast. This is no reference. All of them should be getting prepared. Oh, yeah, what ready, if they have given you license to pick gun to kill anybody, we are going to take it from there. We are going to take it from there. A matter of ballet, oh, yeah, what ballet, because I have never seen so violent people in my life before. They have been planning this for long. Okay, what's happening here? What is happening? I can't get it clear. Let me play you another audio on how they listed the whole names.
Me and my wife, we were on top of the hostel after I came back from work this morning. The next thing I see a blue Ayas in my compound. Then two people that I know came outside while the rest was still inside the vehicle. The next thing I saw the rest people with a gun. Hoping that Osaidion Europe and Osaro, aka Lowest, a member of a black African movement, he said he belonged to a court called Aye. The next thing I hear is all of them started hollering Aye, Aye. The next thing they started asking me that today early morning their banner was destroyed in Ronigbe Junction. The banner I myself put in social media advising the PDP government nobody should touch this banner.
Yes.
That I was the one who destroyed the banner.
I was aware of that. I will show you guys the video right now.
Those useless boys forget their mother and their father live in this community. I had to escape through the fence. After injuring my hand, I just leave the general hospital now. Getting home now, I now see that they have destroyed all my building. So I'm begging the Edo State government, if Obaseki is really in government, if he cannot show himself, I'm assuring the people of Urunigbe, the aspirant, there will be no election in the Urunigbe community. They are not the strongest person because they claim to be the lion and the tiger. But let's see who will be the lion and the tiger at the end of the road. Because when first strike, the strike will lead you. While the second strike will not strike the biggest one. Play this audio to the whole world and let them hear. It's not a contest fight. This fight belongs to the two parties, APC and PDP. Honorable Echosa, those are his boys that is working with them. I told him, I said, whatever your boys do, I will be mentioning your name. And he cannot do nothing. My father will be making money before his father.
May them send this fucking idiot. May them send the picture for me. Let me see if he can get his picture for me. Una no be only una they create the time for. La nene tion sa we send the picture with me. Send the picture with me. I'm on that broker right now. Okona agbe. Okona yen kan wuyi. Okona kan wuyi. He have just back more than what he can chew. He have back more than what he can chew. He have back more than what he can chew. A nonsense is not too much. Why cut it? Okay now. Why come out you begin to intimidate other people? Why cut all my major general? Who have said to kill anybody? What is people's problem? All my bamuwa. No be person bamu now. I can get it clear. This was the people they said this boy destroyed. Even this very video have reached up to about 129,000 person. Now this is don't reach. Hello. Okay, I will see now. Okay, no problem. Because there's some people they give you no power. Okay, when you were horrible, must you kill your people for election if you are a good leader? Hello. Hey, what's up now? Yeah. Okay, now, did you know what's happening? I don't know if because introduction we money men making ogwari that oviedo mayakin yema go oviedo mayakin ona ya take oviedo wa. You must be very stupid. You must be very stupid. Are they not the one instigating the problem? People who believe in violence, who can never talk with their mouth, who cannot talk with their mouth. How can you instigate people to fight somebody? Eh? You guys came from the same village together. Why must you mobilize such a thing? Can you do that one abroad? Can you do it abroad? No, you can't do it. I'll bring out a law of lectures. The reason why we must not have to resort in violence. I'll bring out a law of lectures. But all you could do is to leave your house, mobilize people. Why they all okay? What about this person that was going to be my game? Even not because Nigeria is lawless. Do you think any government will tolerate such a act? Any government will tolerate such a act? What Osomole told said about Yamu. What is happening today? This is the big body, he don't make reference of just now. That they said he went to go and destroy. This was the big body talked about that he's going to protect these people.
This is a standpoint of Ize Iyamu, the APC candidate for governorship election. Good and fine. We the people of PDP, we are not hungry. We are not a useless people. At the time, you can see, we are all educated. We are not afraid of the standboard. The truth of the issue is this: over 3 weeks to a month now, this standboard has been here. As you can see, nobody touched this standboard. All Obaseki standboard have been pushed away from all corners. It's only a foolish man that doesn't know the implication that follow the law in Nigeria. When somebody's standboard is on junction, you go there and tear it away. So, my Jemerioni, a standboard of Renakina, on a Maditamion on Okiangwini, on a Maditamion on Winnie, can I have one? Amayo Boyakai, but talking about a junction, Yagoria Fakiam, every Dima, maybe when it's when Oremana, Eliokiaro, see, and then Maso Paseki in. Even if somebody says Yamure Wanana, Erio Garo, or Tina de Nobasaki and Winnie, Magua, or he might have a rule, Yagoria Fekwa, Evedima, or Dima, Edima, Evedima, or Gano, Waremana, Maweme, Manonia government, Maweme, Magoma Talo, or Gana, Imawaye, we could help you the washer. Is that Yamu here? Ma let you know, this is starboard there. Mawago, where are you? You got to have feeling. That is the truth of the issue. May I go home and start body? A bossy way when you are going to go him. Wait a minute now. 4 plus 4 is the one. 4 plus 4 is oh, when tomorrow morning I'll carry soap. I'll come cleaner for you. May I wear me? In my one day only. One winning, the police people will be my mana. Mana, and every man, they can Mamma get the Marie. But we are telling you today where a person will be okay here. But I don't think anybody sorry. When somebody when you are going here, all our standboard have been destroyed. But this year, we go live here because our Basek here go destroy this standboard. One line, very tight. Okay, 4 plus 4. 8, you know. 4 plus 4. 8. 4 plus 4. 8.
Now let me show you another video of a rice man. Rice Mouse also is one of the PDP chieftains also. That my crowd yesterday, I was forced to upload the video on my page based on, please share this video. The share I'm sharing is not enough at all. As you are watching, share this video. Nobody know the next target. As they say, nobody come home, make it day one more here. But the mommy make buwa career. The line break. The line break. I beg. Please, because this one will cause sanity Ronigbe. Is an opportunity. They are the one that brought that themselves. Because the evidence are there. So this no longer sugarcoating. They should be locked in there after September 19. That's what we want. And we are watching also here from diaspora. And we don't copy their picture. You have to believe if you are a Brussels EU. This nonsense must stop. This is not like I say human for you. Because you are a cultist of war. This nonsense must have to stop. Everybody must have to live well in the society. Government of the day, I don't know what these people want. Yeah. We are going to play. I've called Madrid already. Everybody that we are interested in this issue. We are going to make sure we hunt them everywhere. He must sponsor a hunting now. We are going to finance the police also to make sure every one of them in that clique must be brought to justice. There's no sense in that too much. Okay. Where's the chairman later? Yeah. I just talking to one of the chairman right now. I'm not going to mention his name because why are we quacking in over? So that's it. They are meet already. The CP, they are in a meeting right now. Or boy. I have been saying it. Did I advise you people? Yes or no? I advise you people. Wafi we government of the day, Morion. Man, do you know after God, man, government. A government or working against Spain, a government is Spain or taking against Spain. I will not to answer query. Iran to Dubai. Do a man and wine. The government of the day has strength. Who told you where the government of the day have no strength? They are misleading you. Did I advise you people? I advise you people. It's going to be a stanuka. Why be Ladian? Why be a Ladian? A case in the Dio word the end. Dio word is aware of what's happening. We are going to see you come out to come out. Not even say Yamu can pay you because you never can adapt it beginning. Okay, Wafi, everybody must have to be a cultist. Because a record in River, you cannot confess me that I belong to your gang. A one man's called him king. That is why he may reserve a bime. A bench in me. Man, I have better minutes. That's what I do. So be misbehaving. Be misbehaving. Do you think a platform and we're international association is not by the Spanish government? So whatever it is, that's why we don't bully people here. If we are saying anything here, we approve about it and we mean what we are saying. We mean it. Who what they are born you know what? Who want moko wa born wa? For what? Because you have been given license. Somebody came out and said, somebody now, we are not going to destroy it. We are not going to destroy this sandboard. We will take care of it. Then that's a okay, somebody had the civil war, say Yamu had the civil war. Because that man never want to use his power to intimidate anybody. Forget when Nigeria is lawless. After God is the government. Okay, you people are thinking, well, you got to seek permission from Adioke arrest over. Uwa thinking, well, Obaseki will seek permission from the Adioke arrest over or from Osomole. Okay, arrest over. Uwa wakon. Wario wafo them. Nothing you are going to do about it. Election of our weakness. So you people have created an avenue for those states to cast. Cast, you know. I've said it, so it's going to be. So I've advised you people several times. I've advised you people a time without number. Okay, now if I can preach in a higher momentum, what do you think you have strength more than me? Why have you ever one day begin to ask yourself, why is this man preaching peace? Why this man is not using arrogancy to kind of offend anybody? Are you the strength in me to protect my people? It is fundamental. And that's what everybody should be doing. You deliberately mobilize and vandalize the house because it's supporting Obaseki. Okay, you people are thinking Just the way the coup d'etat they did the other day in the House of Assembly. Obaseki no arrest anybody. No, not be so. Everything is due process. Did you know today that on the 24th this very month, these people misbehaving, they get their case they caught. They have falsification of document already where they submit. A week behind that they are going to face disqualification on the 24th. By the grace of God, everything will happen. A week behind because most of you might have not known. But have you ever seen any PDP person come out and begin to rejoice? No, we don't rejoice other people's calamity. They are the ones that rejoice. Even when Obaseki was disqualified. I bring out a message here that Obaseki was disqualified to be qualified. That's the best thing I know. I don't know how to humiliate anybody. I always come out with a topic, educating my people. Now, if Etiosa Ogbevi was not an ingrate, why will you be known for such a thing? Why are you living on a bad legacy? What legacy are you leaving behind? Etiosa Ogbevi, okay, now, are you the number one man in the whole world? Can you go and tell them that you are a cultist in Niamey? Can you go to Mali, Bamako, or Gao? Go and tell them that you are number one man? Can you go to Cameroon and Yaoundé to go and tell them you are number one man? Can you go to Togo Lome to go and tell them that you are number one man? Or can you go to Tanzania and go and tell them you are number one man? This is an identity, what you eat. People eat and they vomit. A lot of us, we vomited our own again, hero. We vomited it. This is not the part of life. We have a better thing to do for our society. That's what I stand for. That's why my voice today is to help my people, not to decimate any people. People can eat what you eat, but they choose not to eat it because they find that if they eat it, there's going to be a limitation in their own life. Then you are proud. You that are supposed to be honorable, just you became horrible in the community. My dear Yahweh, I go make sure I must so a bit when you are sick and you broso. Your career is done in life. That's what I'm going to do to you. This nonsense must have to stop. If this thing can be done to JB, what about other people? If this thing can be done to JB, what about other people? So, oh, why you don't remember cash? We shall see. My interest you. Everybody with diaspora I'm interested you. Do what I say we shall see. Because you people feel we are living in Banana Republic. There are some certain group of people can just leave their office. They were not sonning about the 14 thieves or the House of Assembly. The letter came out. Life is not like that. The person supporting you today, ask him if he's coming to anything to come and do his pay or anything. You ask them if they have level here. You ask your people what happened in Madrid last year here. Where you mean of where me Curtis in Kiwewe Boymana? And Adriana Nomu Warodoni. The village champions. Why don't leave your home? Work by your worry. Let me see how the Curtis can help you. Fuck shit. Hello, Chairman. Metegati weban JB that calling me but not send the video me ante why agbe JB ginowa even not for God that save him me ante why agbe JB wa ginowa. Yes, I can put it on speaker. You can use any language you want to use. People are watching. You can talk now. Talk.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. This election is not for someone to die for. But one thing that I want to know, JB is my brother. And they say something, all of us in Uronibe, we are one family. But the way people start taking it, we need to divide ourselves. You understand me? But what I know, this guy, what called Etiosa Ogbewi, is a criminal, is a terrorist. You understand?
I want
from here to send message to Yudma family. It's an opportunity for them to come out and fight their justice. I'm very interested in this case. Because if this is just how we that organized to kill a youth man, they throw it to the river.
understand me? So for this, we need to know whether it's God, whether it's I don't know what I will put it. If it's the owner of the village, you understand me? Uronibe made for Uronibe. You understand me? Okaro is the head there that coordinates everybody. If maybe because it's already touched a politician able to say against their countries. But my brother, after we organize to be going to the Brussels, Amigo will be attached.
Kakabona, because he's the one spreading that terrorist group. He's the one. I have every proof with me. I have every goddamn proof with me. I got it with me. This intimidation must stop home and abroad. He must stop and we must kill it.
And then will be attached to the poster to Brussels. You understand me? Now America now know that they are harboring a terrorist. I have a lot of video that was bringing the gun, showing gun. You understand me? The word is said many times. I'm very interested with this case. You understand me? I beg everybody to tell you my son. It's time for you to fight for the father justice. Without we don't spend any money, he will get the justice. Because this guy called Ejosa, he has been committing many havoc. Uronibe doesn't belong to them. You understand me? Uronibe doesn't belong to them. Uronibe belong to everybody. You understand me? Like me, I cannot open out for them. They have to go and be doing shit to my brother. It will not happen. You understand me? So, for me, my brother, no matter sugarcoating, Ejosa picture an amigo must be attached to the word before we take it to the process and make another protection against them.
Because no sense, all what they do is to instigate violence. Violence all the time. You can never hear word of peace from them. Go and check out my video. All I preach about is peace. Is peace.
Everybody living to do
is
what
peace.
they want to do with the politics. It's not to kill anybody. You understand me? And this person too, you want to deliver it to Captain Osa. Captain Osa, you said you are a father to the children, you are a father to adult children, but I want to use opportunity to say this message to you. I don't know what I want to call you. You have a son, you have a daughter in abroad. You are in your home before. You probably carried your leg to this place. But now, your own name has to go to record. You said. And you don't want that to know. Because the area you are drawing, it doesn't belong to you.
Hello.
It doesn't belong to you, it belongs to everybody. You use it to do friends.
Yeah, I'm alive, yeah.
You don't want to give.
No, the one you are watching.
You understand me? Because it's you people that
No, the one you are watching. Only chairman, you want to contribute to that. Just hold on.
People to start to do stupid havoc, or you will see people are respecting you for the world. You will brought them. And you people should careful.
Just hold on 1 second. So let me just.
Don't bring another problem to Edo State.
Hello, I can hear you. Hello,
Hello,
somebody's online. So somebody's talking.
People are continuing again. You people should careful. It's a warning.
Oh yeah, hold on.
And leave the palace alone. And leave.
Or if you can call on WhatsApp, I think that would be better now because the one you just called is a smartphone. The WhatsApp is more. Yeah, the WhatsApp is more like that. Thank you.
Don't have other palace to be continuing for. Leave that peace. You understand me? The area doesn't belong to you. If when you buy a land in anywhere, when you saw any mineral resources, it belongs to the government. You take our everything, you do whatever you think, you go with it.
Oh, say now, why women now go? He go just send all those he dog come, send all those who come.
You will see the mission.
We do not only instigating problem, only instigating evil. What are you going to gain? Someone die. What are you going to be? What is going to be your gain? What is going to be your gain?
You worth $34 billion, and when we discover you went to the computer and leave it and delete it. You think that we don't know you? We are watching you like Elizabeth. You, Captain Nusa. You. You are the father. You are the mother sin is you that finance it. You use our money to kill. You use our money to kill our people. And those people, they are foolish. Instead of to fight you and draw their resources. Bye for now.
Okay.
Joseph will get the reward what he did to
nobody have a monopoly of violence. Nobody. Nobody.
You know what he did now? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can't be you, man. I just can't be you, man. You understand me, man? Yeah, I can't be you, man.
Me, I'm not.
So he says he's a terrorist. A terrorist and those are he. He is your winning lad. A youth man no pay. Maybe not every one will remember that. You understand me? Other fear. You just a quick go. Near your youth man fear say.
Okay.
All our elders they know. You understand me? After we started, the history is already there. Nonsense people. You want to kill this, you want to kill that.
I just surprised. Eh?
I don't understand. I say that it baffles me.
Yeah?
You already serve the government. Could you imagine a Josa sometimes he carry on here and there? And the father is a very nice man. I have to tell you the truth.
Okay.
We watching that one man. Or you want it for me? Or you do when you do the summer, I'm not winning why you vote.
Oh my, Chairman, sir, let me attend to another call, please.
Okay, bye for now.
Yeah, bye. Yeah, hello. Hello. Buenos días, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Ah, ¿qué hay? ¿Qué? Yeah. Hello. Are you watching me on live Facebook? Okay, you want to contribute? Okay. Okay, you can talk.
Okay, sir. You see what's going on there in Edo State about the election. I'm very happy you are living in Europe there. Any election that they have got any attack, that election must be cancelled. It's very obvious that this election they're taking life at the beginning. Before the 4 years ending, the life will be more than this what we expected. That is what I want to contribute. It's very bad what is going on in that zone. We will not be shouting one issue.
They never want to take sense into their head. All their leaders, what they do, they instigate problems. Oshomole, Ize-Iyamu, all of them, they instigate problems. They instigate problems. Why must you be instigating problem if you are a good leader? Why not openly come out and tell your people? Hello. Hello, good afternoon. Do you want to contribute? Can I put it on speaker, please? Okay, the word is listening. You can speak, sir. Man, also.
I am so tired for the rubbish they are doing in the do. I am so tired. If there is any violence in Uronibe, Ranomigo should be arrested.
Okay.
Please, I thank God you have an association or something in Spain there.
Yeah.
Let us bring ourselves together in Europe. Let us bring ourselves together.
All what they do is to instigate problem. Check all his video. Check all his video. No, he has never one day come and please take this easy. As a old my thing is. All his co-hosts, all of them, they are so violent. They cannot make any lectures advising the world on the best way to live life apart from promulgating violence.
We have to call every other person here in Europe. Where concerned those people, we have to call all of them so that we march to the EU to report Iranomigo, to report every one of them that is causing problem in Edo. And the ones in the US, they should go on and report Iranomigo to make it faster. They should,
I don't know what's wrong with these people.
They should report Iranomigo because enough is enough.
He has sent a lot of messages to this very JB that anytime he comes to Edo, when he said, he even want Isaiah Yamu to win because of the evil art he want to go and perform in Edo. That is the reason why he want Isaiah Yamu to win. Not because he loves Isaiah Yamu. Not because he wants Edo to go forward. Because he has an evil agenda. And today, I speak on that evil agenda in the mighty name of Jesus. It cannot stand. It can never stand. We must have peace in Edo. We must have peace. Everybody desires to live. Nobody desires to die.
He said Yamu has not demonstrated to be a Christian. There is nothing Christ-like.
He's an evil man. He's an evil man. He's an evil man. He's an evil man.
We have to put ourselves together to report them here in the EU. Let us go to Brussels. Let us report them there.
No, yeah, man, they don't know what you need to feed do. Yeah, man, well, as well. If we dey strip for, if they play with people, one of the man they play with. We are going to plan that one out. We are going to plan. Ain't nonsense in that monster. So, one of me a picture one ne. There's evidence for evidence to work for. When we now man on here do arowe me rowe me say you are done. You are done. A man, a constitution guy. Why your Baseki Yaki to one okoto? This is a man. Okay, you think of Baseki need permission from IG? Okay, we arrest anybody we do.
To arrest all of them. Does not need to go to IG or anything. Or declare SOS in do, he can arrest all of them.
Election worry, it becomes a different thing entirely for them. Election worry, or magifo, even the same politicians who have eaten our destiny. Even have been an ear.
So I was surprised today. Some years Isaiah Yamu boys who decamp from
look at blood.
The camp of Isaiah Yamu. They said that I'm the one who mobilized them so that they will decamp and leave Isaiah Yamu. I was surprised this early morning when they ran up my house. I have to
please, man, just hold on. Let me quickly play this video. Hold on.
To make sure the manga on my hand. I want this video to go straight down to the governor of Edo State and the security agency should call them to order. Otherwise, the election Ronigbe, I don't know how it's going to look like. Thank you, the people of Edo State. This is exactly what happened this morning.
More video are still coming. All of them, they instigate problem. What they know how to do is to get. None of them, I've not even seen any of them campaigning for Isaiah Yamu. None of them is even campaigning for Isaiah Yamu. I'm just surprised. Okay, what will you take? These are the same gang of people. These are just another video when this man they are campaigning for, where they want to go kill their brother for. This is a thing when our fathers was alive, when Uronigbe was Uronigbe. Uronigbe have never wanted to rise up against themselves. They love themselves. So these bloody politicians, and they don't use their children. I will see how you are going to pay yourself for all this. I will see whether you have monopoly of violence or God has given you power to kill. God wants everybody in the book of Exodus 22 verse 8. He said, thou shalt not. Thou shalt not kill. Then what people want to do is always kill. Wamaya will winner. Who people can pay for you? You were one first and honorable. You became an honorable automatically. Nobody criticized where you can join Curtis, be even or monster. Nobody bloody care about that. But don't use it to disturb anybody. I've said it time with that number. Bush, where Antelope day, where Tiger day, Antelope they stay there too. So I'm trying to get the video where a man that calls himself a pastor, we are instigating violence, and these are the things that are going on today. How will you be campaigning with violence? How? How is that done? Campaigning with violence? I can't really get it. All they do, look at all of them, that animal. All they do, they preach. Hey, I've talked about salvation here on my platform. No topic I have not treated. Let them come and teach peace. They cannot teach peace. All you hear from them is violent. Toki. Now so they give at the same JB so now you lawyer so you have married just in America. So when it was maybe that's the reason why right now they want to kill JB. Then they cannot reveal effort. It may be a part of the story. JB said one part of the video that if he thought they have not done anything good, that he's lying. That he is the one that told him not swear on the Yaban. He mentioned some names that day. Maybe that's the reason why now they are mobilized to kill him. Because he have done so many secret things with this very boy. Until I called JB and I said, JB, you are killing your life by yourself. You are not living well. Disconnect yourself. He took it time before he could disconnect himself. How will you, a freedom fighter does not instigate evil. He does not humiliate people. What he talks about, if anybody does bad, he will come, he will condemn that out. What they do these days is to support anything evil. He gives them joy. They support all evil acts. Is what they support. Hello. Hello, what's up? Please, who be that? I don't. I think you would have called on WhatsApp now. That would be better. This one is not loud. But me want put on for audience, but then hear you. You know, say small phone now they talk. So now the WhatsApp now the big phone. Okay, just talk. Let's see if we can manage the audio, please. Let's see. Okay, you can talk now. Let's see if the audio will be.
You say the side JB, they don't kill JB. Now see him. You know whether not JB even play. You know, say this life, more than just the hold on. JB now so the dance up and now so first to do this one. The thing is that not be say you would like listening to other people maybe.
Wait, Chairman. I don't know where are you supporting that what's happening to Runigbe is good? Yes or no? Just.
No, don't say me support anything. But
okay. Are they not his boys? Are they not his boys? Are they okay? You want to defend what the whole world don't know? Shut up your mouth and don't be stupid. That's why you people became a monster. You are defending what you don't know. I have your video with me. Maybe in a way to where you are born. How can you be defending? Somebody left his house, brought a cat on. If not JB don't want to drop it, they have humiliated JB. If JB tried this nonsense, the same way I'm narrating these people, the same thing I will also do with him. I don't believe in injustice. I'm not doing it because it's JB. These some of the things I'll be crying again. Everybody decides to leave. Everybody deserves to leave. Whosoever that misbehaving there, I will block you later. At least if something happened to somebody, feel sympathy for the person. Somebody brought a video. Okay, now who can follow and fight for us? And this is a man that be preaching peace right from the one. Then you are there talking anyhow. Thank God I've got your number already. You are one of them. Before Congo can remove one. Let me write out the number. All this nonsense must stop. Nonsense. Now, Jan, me and you did. You might everywhere you tell her. Can you do anything here? As if they will not get human sympathy. None of them have human sympathy. Somebody is being killed. Then you are talking to the person named Jonah. Do you know what the man have done? JB said it openly in social media. I'll go and look for the video and cut it out. Let me put it on share. Whether I don't want the one killer for right now, combined with these political things, only God knows. Because he just reviewed his secret that, or also my yaban. He mentioned people they go and watch the video. I will look for it. I will cut out that place. Also, why yaban? Idiot fellows. Let me see the country you are calling from. Nikompo. Small town say may not go look for work. As soon as they feel anybody. Before now no say now because Nana send if family come on for us. Because who was born again over. That una doctor they put themselves for a problem. Almost 3 seconds to work together except they agree. There must be an agreement. Election was not supposed to tear us apart. But why is it like that today? Look at for those of you who go to Unasona, they go church. The church are not the root in the Bible. What was written in the book of Hebrews 13 verse 1? He said, let brotherly love continue. How will brotherly love continue like this? When you are serving a terrorist act. How is it going to continue? Then you are defending what you don't know. When you are babalone. But what it is, that's what you people know how to do. Because Agbaluwan, the video is there. I will bring it out now. Okay, just think, if you were to be the one, how will you feel? A lot of people have died innocently. Edoma Razino Beke, Edoma. Okay, look at the killing right now that is happening in Satan Kaduna. Now let me one don't upload them for my page. No, before maybe you know reach Edo social media whatever. You know reach the way you upload that very video. Satan Kaduna right now is a problem. Let me play to you. What is this? Hello. Hello, what's up? Hello, I can hear you. Good afternoon. What's up, man? You are very free, bro. May I put that for speaker? May I put that for speaker? Okay, you are free.
I want to thank you well for this thing what you did do.
Thank you.
I just want to tell you, say, that guy when he called last, when he mentioned you there, me anybody not call me, not mention that man name for this program here. You understand?
Yeah.
Anybody who like good thing,
Megbe number lad, and through this number we can get where it's coming from. Before now, no say meeting is gathered here. Una bad.
To people, please, you go should not measure Anomio in this place because Omana like him, you know, they don't measure that person name. So I just want to thank everybody. I want everybody to know that all these people, what they are trying to do is just to scare people.
Yeah.
But they will not succeed. They will not succeed because the Almighty God is going to disappoint them. So, my brother, I just want to encourage you for the work you are doing.
Thank you.
They talk at the call for Navarra. So I just want to let you know that we are behind you, and Edo, the good people of Edo State is behind the good people of Edo State. So that last call, let me call when he mentioned on you. You should not ever try it again.
No, he go. I go publish the number now. Maybe you what they call now because the enemy of progress.
They call it. May they contribute to Iranomio. So Iranomio, nobody will tell us about Iranomio. My mother is for Evusi. I'm for Evusi. We know.
Okay.
That guy is cost.
Okay.
So we not ever mention a name for this program again. So my good people of Edo State, I beg, no matter what they will do, what they do. Everybody that wants care, so they are not going to succeed. So anybody who will listen to this program and who they are abroad everywhere, you people should be calling your parents, call everybody. Make sure that day, September 19, may they come and go vote because they can't succeed.
Yeah.
So that's my contribution. Thank you very much for the good work you are doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I guess this knuckle head is calling from. I think that should be Denmark. So we're going to see what we do. So anyway, if you want a fault, please, before you start making problem with new thing, I'm not like every other social media, whatever you think. I'll be different person. I don't get forgiveness. So mind what you say. I'm against injustice, it flow in me. The reason why I could work with that fool was because I grew up with it. I saw a platform where I can be able to exercise what I learned. That was why. But when everything became too gaming, that was why I call it a day. So if you want to be talking anyhow, you can go and meet him. Wamate wa ya se viebu wa ya mad abano bambano wa yi wa ho ho awagbon. They are here misbehaving. A man that wants everything he condemned. Everything. No one he could defend for 2 years. Wagbiki. Hello, Chairman, sir. God bless you. You want to contribute, sir? Okay, let me put it on speakerphone. Okay, you are free, sir.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Let me thank you very well for this good fight you are fighting to make Edo better again, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
That guy who called, a few minutes ago trying to defend...
Now, Denmark today, Denmark. I've tracked it already.
Okay, good. So, let me tell you, that boy is a paid agent.
Yes.
For these evil guys.
Yes.
Look, anybody that defend anything bad or anything evil is evil.
Yes, definitely.
That's the truth. So,
definitely.
Is he saying that he's not seeing what has been happening?
He's trying to tell me that I shouldn't mind JB. Okay, how will you force such a thing?
What type of statement is that? These guys are evil people. These people that are trying to speak for them.
And a lot of them are EJ Europe here. A lot of them did what they say my cake idea they have. They bring it down to Europe. They don't use their strength to invent anything. No. They don't use their strength to invent anything. They don't use to invent anything. If they smoke it, go finish the next thing, not to kill. But thank God for the European authorities who was able to deal with them mercilessly.
Exactly. So now, if you look at what's happening right now in our state, those state today is filled up with assassins.
Assassins everywhere.
And some of these people, for God's sake, is being harbored in Oshomole's house in his village. Lot of them. From Kogi State and Lagos and Imo State and all that. And the DSS is aware of this. So why are they not taking care of these people and make sure they trample on them and keep them somewhere?
Because
start to deal with them.
He has just started right now. They just opened the way for the government to start picking them. Maybe they're not going to do this election for. They are not going to reach this election. They are not going to reach them.
Our governor has to act very fast. He has to act very fast because Oshomole and Yamu is ready for a lot of damage.
Yes, definitely, sir.
There's going to be a lot of collateral.
A lot. They just started right now. Imagine on the election that is going to look like. Even most of the people that is going there to go and mobilize the election, these are the we attack them. Imagine they attack this man, they destroy his building. For you to go and vandalize somebody's building, this animal.
Before election, there might not be election holding in Benin. I want you to know that there might not be election holding in Edo State. That's what they are trying to do. They want to destroy everywhere and kill as many people as they can kill, so that INEC will now put the election.
Declare Edo State a state of emergency.
Inconclusive, right?
Yes.
And then they will now, the election will not hold, and our governor's term will run out, and their speaker, that is why they are desperate to install their own speaker. Then the onus will now fall on the speaker to run the affairs of the state until they are able to organize whoever they want to put there. Oshomole is evil, my brother.
It's very, 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 very. A lot of people does not really know where my anger lies. We were together, this very stupid, knucklehead idiot they are talking about.
That boy who called and tried to defend this.
No, he go change number. He supposed to say,
Never see good thing in himself.
any gamma where you see new thing, you supposed to know man where they quote Bible. Then they get this kind of voice. You supposed to know, say man, I not be push and start for waiting and the people and do so.
Yeah.
I not be push and start for all these things.
People, they didn't even go to school. They don't know nothing. So they are all fools. You know, they see free money in Europe and wherever they live outside Nigeria. They feel that's all. They are comfortable. How about our people back home? So God bless you, my brother.
God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
God bless
Yeah.
you. Bye-bye, yeah.
Now, coming to talk about it. Obaseki not for hatred. Take it the other. If you look, I know the two the insult is there, Yamun or Shomole. Now, when are the treat topic? I found out, okay, they have not really buttressed out their image where the legacy they are leaving behind. What are you really blaming Obaseki for? What are you blaming Obaseki for? None of the so-called EPM, any person campaign for them who have one day in an eloquent manner come and defend Isaiah Yamu. Character. Even the people who campaign for Isaiah Yamu are the one indicting him the more because most of them, they are nincompoos. Because if you want to go wash cloth way dirty, you want reach time as you dey wash am. Na clean water you take reach am. Isaiah Yamu see the risk himself for cloth way for water way dirty. How you gonna make your name? So they are not to worry about your political career. Where Eman where your guy bogu wegbe. Or my popo Eman where your guy because you don't even have people campaign for you. They are complaining. That's not campaign. Area campaign. Yeah, hello. Hey, what's up now? You want to contribute? Okay. Just hold on. Let me put it on speaker. You would have called on WhatsApp. Let's see if we can hear you loud. You talk a little bit louder, please. You can talk now.
Okay. So this is Mr. Nasib from Verona.
Okay.
So we're the one that sponsor Irano the other time.
Okay. Okay.
So what I want to say is, we all want progress for that state.
Yes.
You understand that? So one thing I want to tell Edoland, one way they make things happen will not be sound. You understand?
Yeah.
So that is an amigo and I just small thing. You understand? There are an amigo not fit follow us way, even attack and compete. Not to all is violent.
Violent. He had never one day come to teach the word about peace. No. That man never talk about peace one day. Apart from instigating problem.
We are ready for him. You understand? And I want to use this opportunity to advise all the those. You understand? I will not say the only Uronigbe or Yekodeon, but I will say to all the those that anything that happened to any of our brothers in Edo State, we are coming. And we are going to get the ticket and we'll come back to Benin. Since person are evil every time, we will still get that one. After we get to get them, 2 weeks or 1, we will make sure we will touch everybody for the city. Then we'll move ahead. If we see, no matter that, here where Olokwa and working on thing. You understand? So that's why they are doing what they are doing now. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
I
just tired, my brother. Campaign, okay, now this man they campaign for Obaseki. They bring out what your Obaseki don't do. Bring out what Isaiah Yamu go do, or what he don't see do. For 8 years we spend for SSG. Then walk it. They don't send us Ibovani. The man, this guy first cry come and say that they tear Obaseki banner they come on for this thing. If it just that I cannot really see the video right now, maybe I might have deleted it. You know, he cried, come and a lot of people saw that video. They are even praising him that the way the body do campaign is matured.
So ones in the hospital. You understand? No problem, no shaking. Anything where they want to make them want. Who say one go keep person, not carry head from up for her. You don't leave your head for her.
I just okay, you kill person today. Okay, now you succeeded in killing JB. JB brothers and sisters will allow you stay all the rest days of your life. That's what you should know.
I want to make one parable for them. Not everybody will call person funeral. Now the person where we shall.
For real.
Some can't know whether you really die.
Yeah.
Whether not.
This chairman, you be on Yana. I know. I can trace your origin.
Yes. So that is the truth. Yeah. When Iran or big only they don't see problem ironic. May all be ironic with and support good governance.
Yes.
Because there's only around obviously my grandma.
Yeah, definitely.
You understand? So that's what we are protecting. So since they say that violence they want, both Kabaka is there, Yamu, Ranomigo, and putting them together, they are going to see what they've never seen in a state before. You understand? We are coming. The Kabaka and people are they see there. I
just tired. Oh man, we run no wake my brother. A Pharaoh man wake. A day, a Goliath, the book of 1 Samuel. A day we no can hear of be. Now one sling of catapult. Nike Goliath. So me una go think. Me una go think. We repent. Huh? You know what we go through for Morocco? Ona gbesa again kwa. If they want to talk about Kofra, now people will pass land enter jammed. Because we know what we see. Even that root cell will blend you. A root will not blend the way. Una don't see anything.
I want to use this opportunity to advise them. Tony Kabaka and your boys, who you did say you sponsor. So why you, if we come back, that land, if we come back to that land, in the year later, I know say maybe you will watch the video later.
Because so some people, some elders wey suppose caution una. Any on your tinu wa. Okay, now what legacy are you people leaving behind today? What legacy? Okay, Chairman, make a round up this video. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
God bless you. Yeah, bye. Yeah. Me will be say they come out here, they trust myself. All what I've done is lecture. I don't instigate problem. Anything that is happening that is not happening, I condemn it. I talked about Asian people. I talked about everybody. Let me quickly show this video before I go back to what is happening in Santa Kaduna today. Whether them so, where one go keep person for house, whether they will be happy about what Santa Kaduna is passing through. Aerofire and the so-called Tunubu, Uopu Zodima and Gwanduje, Unwan Baseke Otogbowa. Una no fit go support Aerofire now for his state. Killing they happen there in Ghana. Hello. Good afternoon. God bless you. Let me put it on speaker. Okay, talk, sir.
Yeah, bros, thank you very much for the good work you have been doing. I really appreciate. My
Thank you very much.
contribution is
You are
that
welcome.
And the ACP people, but Obaseki need to react.
Yeah.
This is the time of react. Don't waste their time because these people they need to be put to
No, all money and they are already in meeting already as I called just now.
So, hello, my brother. That's my contribution.
Okay.
God bless you for the good work. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Instead of you to come and condemn, say that art not good, but you see from there throw advice, give JB, then you are committing sadly the same people. Let's go and play all you guys video that you have been doing. How many times have you come to advise? You think the world is not watching? Or you think just the way you are cake, una use Abban, take all una members. People they way not they think. That year, get who they respect for society. Okay, now if somebody like community choose to leave, so okay, no one put hand for waiting they hot. Okay, why you feel say you go stop on Richmond? I be not be stubbornness.
Now where you don't hear from Newton. If you get anything to talk concerning this attack, where they go attack John Bull Imade for Uronigbe just because say they support Obaseki, go to comment section, make you put am for there. And make you also help us share this video to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.